but don't get lost along the way. What you see in the mirror, a ghost that fades away. Turn off your phone for a day or two. The world is waiting for you. Paris or Vienna is right there.